Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys these Bluetooth OBD2 scanners. So these scan tools are universal. They work on every car that has an OBD2 port. The great thing about them is that they're Bluetooth and they have live streaming and everything, so you could connect it to your phone, get live stream data, and save all that data onto your phone. This particular one is from TopDon. It's their ArtiBox model. And if you guys are wondering why I have two of these ArtiBoxes, I'm going to be giving one of them away to one of you lucky winners. And all you guys have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. And I'm going to be selecting the winner 1 week from now. It will be on that future video. So if you're subscribed, you're going to see that video. So please be on the lookout for that. And let's get started. So here's what comes inside the box. It's pretty minimal. We got a quick start guide and we got the scanner itself. And a very unique thing about the scanner is it also has a built-in flashlight. We got the scanner plugged in and we have the blue light illuminating. And now we are going to go to our phone. So on my phone right now, I'm in the App Store. I'm going to search for TopDon. And we're going to go down and download ArtiBox. So once on the app, we're going to hit more, Bluetooth connection, and then hit match Bluetooth. It's connected. So there's plenty of different things you could do in this app with this scanner. We got vehicle info, we could read the engine codes, live data, freeze frame, smog check, the MIL status, we could save reports, and we have a few quick access things as well. We could turn on our phone flashlight from here. We have a stopwatch for the 0 to 60 or 0 to 100 kilometers. And this is also very nice in the dashboard. It reads the battery voltage, the average fuel consumption, and the water temperature. And there's 3 different things. We have normal, racing, and fuel. And we can go into smog check. It shows everything that's done and supported. We could read codes. And right now I have no codes in this car. There's no check engine light or anything, so it shows no DTC. And then a nice feature on this is the live data. So there's plenty of different things. I could select any one of them and as many as I want. So say I'm going to select all those, hit complete. So this is going to show if the sensors are ready or their numbers or whatever it might be. It's going to show that. And it's going to pick up values as well. So it does everything live. Everything's fluctuating, so everything's all live. So it's a very good thing to diagnose with. This also helps you to troubleshoot if you have a misfire or your oxygen sensor isn't working right. It picks up everything. It tells you when your engine started, how many seconds, minutes it's been on. You could troubleshoot it all right here from your phone. So I just wanted to share this ArtiBox scanner with you guys. It's modern, it has Bluetooth technology, so everything's done through the phone. It has a ton of features and it's very easy to connect and it's pretty inexpensive as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share. And again, I'm going to be giving one of these away. So I wish you guys all the best of luck, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.